In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a signature in Bluehost Webmail. Having an email signature can add a touch of professionalism and provide essential contact information every time you send a message. It's a little detail that makes a big impact, so let's dive right in and set it up together. First things first, you'll need to log into your webmail. Start by accessing your Bluehost account manager. You'll be working from the Hosting tab, so make your way there. Once you're in the Hosting section, you'll find a useful area called Quick Links. In there, you're looking for the cPanel Email option. Go ahead and click on it. You'll see a pop-up window appear. Here, select Email Accounts and hit Continue. Now, locate your email account. This is the one you'll be working with. You'll see an option that says Check Email. Go ahead and click that to open RoundCube, which is where the magic happens. Now that you're in RoundCube, it's time to navigate to the settings. At the top right corner, you'll see the Settings button. Give it a click, and this will bring up a menu full of options. Within this Settings menu, you'll want to focus on the Identities tab. This tab is all about managing the different email addresses you might use and customizing them. Next, you'll see your email address listed. Double-click on the email address you want to create a signature for. This will open up a more detailed view, allowing you to personalize how your emails are sent. Now, look for the Signature field. This is the space where your signature will live. Go ahead and type in the text you want to appear at the bottom of your emails every time you send them. This could be your name, job title, phone number, or any line that represents you professionally. And if you want to give it a polished, professional look, there's an option to check the HTML signature box. This allows for more advanced formatting, letting you include styles, colors, and links. If you want to add an image to further personalize your signature, it's simple. Click on the Insert Image icon, which should be right there in the editing toolbar. Upload the desired image from your computer, then click Save to make sure all your work is stored. Once everything looks good and is saved, every email you send through this account will carry your new professional signature. It's always a good idea to send yourself a test email or two, just to see how the signature looks in actual use. So there you have it, a simple yet effective way to sharpen your email communications. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more guides like this one.